Hello everyone, welcome back to Miss Benin's channel. If you are new here, thank you for joining us. Please, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. If my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support me. So today's video, I'll be making yam and sauce. It's just gonna be basic, and secondly, because of the cold, it's been cold here, so I just need something spicy. So I go for local dish. So everybody, if you're in Nigeria, you must know this. So I got this yam 2-3 days ago, and now look at what I see inside. So yeah, anyway, that will not stop me. I'm still going to find something out of it. So this is what I found. I think this is enough for only me. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now, I'm just going to peel it, and the stuff I will be using for the sauce. Oh, look at this. This is what this the bad one inside. So I'm just gonna peel it now, and I will also use onion, pepper, and tomatoes. That's the stuff I'm gonna be using, and red oil. So after peeling it, I just put it on a pot. I wash it and then put it in the pot and let it boil for maybe 15 minutes. I put salt now. I cover it up. Then I cut the onions. I'm just gonna slice them together so that it will be easy for me to fry. So the onions is done. I'm doing the pepper and then the tomatoes. I'm using 1 tomatoes because the pot I'll be using, or native pot, is very small. So yeah, so you guys know, if you're in Nigeria, you know this style. So the onions is a bit thick inside. I couldn't take it out, so I put it on top the pot to help me melt it. So now I will be frying the sauce while the yam is still cooking. I'm just gonna put everything inside gently because you see the pot is very small. So that's just what I want. I just need the smell, the native smell inside the sauce. So I use the pot. I'm just gonna stir it together. Gentle. I'm really gentle with this, guys. And then I put onion, and I'm gonna put non-maggi, just tiny one, just to bring out the taste, because I'm not going to be using any meat like fish or anything. I just want it like that, as we used to eat it back there in the farm. Yeah, I'm gonna add salt now. And let it, cook for about 5, depends on how long it's gonna take. I'm just gonna let it stir it together and then let it cook. So now I'm just gonna stir it so that the top one will also the down one will not be soft, and then the top one is hard. So I'm just gonna stir them together so everything will be equal. So this is it. It's becoming beautiful. You see that color? That is the handwork of the palm oil. Still gonna stir it together. A lot of onion, guys. I know you will say that. I like onion. So here you go. This is the finishing of the food. Amazing, right? It looks yum. Come and join me, guys. You guess what? That's my son right there. So the food is too hot. He has to drop it. I couldn't use hand because it's very hot. I don't want to burn my hand. If you have used this native pot before, you know how hot it is. Even sometimes if you cook with it, you have to leave it down so that it will cold for about maybe another 5 minutes, 10 minutes, because it's really hot. If you want food to be hot, that's when you use these native pots. back then in the village. Look at my son's eye. We're like, oh my god, it's so spicy. So now is a little bit cold, and now I can dig in with my finger. Real village girl, guys. So my son is about to try this out. Ooh.